In this video, we'll take a look at why the Maximus Free Access ESF system is the simplest solution for both the people that work in the barns and for the pigs, and also for you, the producer, transitioning to group sow housing. The design of the gestation pen is an important factor for a successful ESF system. Each pen will have a clearly defined laying area with protected sleeping bays, a dunging area, and a feeding area. We typically use 2 double feed stations per pen and recommend 1 feeder per 15 animals at 20 square feet per animal. The feeders are positioned 8 feet apart, and the entrance to each station is always visible from anywhere in the pen, with lighting placed above each of the feeders. By separating feeders, it gives multiple options to all animals in the pen as to where they choose to eat, as well as making it difficult for dominant sows to guard the entrance to the feeding stations. Water is located at the front of the pen, and you will see walkthroughs in the fence line to make it easy for people to move quietly and efficiently from pen to pen. The Maximus Free Access sow feeder is very simple in design and robust in construction. Without the need for air compressors, sensors, and with minimal moving parts, maintenance is minimal. The sow or gill enters the feeder in search of feed, then the rear gate closes gently behind the pig. Each feeder has an integrated lay-down bar to discourage animals from occupying the feed station once they have eaten, and there is the option to add a spray paint marker onto each feed station. The feed stations are connected using low voltage communication cable that's connected through modules that are located at each of the stations. Once the pig puts its head close to the feed bowl, the RFID tag in the pig's ear is detected by an antenna and the ration is dispensed. The Maximus 3P feed bottle has a 360-degree rotating agitation paddle that is designed to eliminate bridging and allow for precise individual animal feed levels. The 3P has a patented feed flow sensor that guarantees that feed has been delivered to the sow. The large capacity smart feed level features connect the self-filling 3P bottles to the feed delivery system and the feed storage system to manage and monitor your whole feed system. Almost all conventional electronic sow feeding equipment relies heavily on a labor-intensive process of gilt pre-training as an important part of making the system successful. In addition, there is also the added cost associated with building design, as more square footage is required in the GDU per pig with this style of equipment. With Maximus Free Access ESF, the gilts learn the system on their own. One low-cost, simple option that we offer to producers to help transition gilts to the feeding equipment is to add the same green panels to ad-lib feeders in the GDU that we use on the Maximus Free Access feeder that is in the gestation pen. Once the gilts are entered into the GDU, they will immediately learn to associate feed with the green panels. You will see that this can also be done using single-space feeders. In this situation, not only does it help the gilt get comfortable feeding individually, but it also teaches the gilt to back out once it is finished eating. This is the same thing the gilt will do once it moves into the gestation pen. Along with not requiring any additional labor, there are no electronics, and the gilts are kept on ad-lib feed at a critical time prior to being bred. So the Maximus Free Access ESF ties together with the Maximus controller and the Maximus sow production software for a fully integrated system. It completely takes into consideration normal, natural sow behaviors and reduces competition for feed, reduces the need for pre-training, and provides the most durable, safe environment for sows and gilts in a loose housing setting.
(3P feeder). The use of an electronic feeding system can only be valid if you are certain that your feed distribution is effective. Never ask yourself this question again. With its unique and patented bobblehead sensor, the Zax 3P feeder guarantees it. Activated by an electronic module, the feeder can be used as well for gestation and farrowing. Individual delivery of feed rations is extremely precise due to its 3-outlet rotating feed tray. Our technology keeps you informed on the quantity of feed remaining at all times. Regardless of the type of feed used, its 30-pound capacity allows the 3P feeder to operate efficiently. With the best warranty in the industry, elevate your feed management to an unseen level for well-deserved peace of mind.
Simplifique la gestión de su inventario gracias a una tecnología inteligente que le permite conocer la cantidad exacta de alimento en sus silos, incluso de forma remota. Aquí, el nivel de alimento del silo 1 alcanza el límite de advertencia bajo preprogramado en el Maximus. El controlador Maximus envía entonces una notificación al productor de que la cantidad de alimento restante ha alcanzado este límite. El controlador puede también enviar la notificación directamente a la planta de alimento. Sin embargo, si el nivel de alimento en el silo 1 alcanza el límite bajo crítico preprogramado en el Maximus, una alarma será enviada al productor y el controlador Maximus abrirá automáticamente la válvula del silo 2. El alimento distribuido ahora proviene del silo 2. Este proceso automatizado evita así una interrupción en la distribución. Llega el momento de la entrega del alimento. El conductor a su llegada escanea su tarjeta de acceso Maximus en el lector de tarjetas ubicado en la entrada del sitio. Una vez que se ha completado la verificación de bioseguridad, se otorga el acceso. Tan pronto como el silo 1 esté lleno, el controlador Maximus ajusta inmediatamente el inventario de alimento, permitiéndole verificar la precisión de la cantidad entregada frente a la cantidad pedida. No vuelva a quedarse sin alimento. La solución Maximus, sencilla y eficaz.